Hey, woo. Stains be gone. William on the way. Fayetteville, North Carolina. Contractor hit my line. 8 condos. That work. Yeah. Yeah. Contractor call me. 8 condos all week. Mud on the stairs, but they ain't staying. Truck mount roaring, watch me clean. Stains were gone, did that. Every staircase bounce back. Fresh lines, fresh smell, whole building all intact. Everybody point saying, stains were gone, did that.
Contractor will live. Contractor talking business when you need you over here. Brand new condos, contractors done a little mud everywhere. I smiled, loaded up, didn't waste 1 minute. Truck shining, 1 pack, already knew I finished. Put in brand new neighborhood, everybody watching. Boots hit pavement, truck mount humming. Neighbors steady talking, dust on the carpet, mud on every stair. Look around, told myself, we about to bless the place. Stair tool lock, pressure right. He turned all the way up, extraction flowing, so satisfying. Watching dirt give up. 1 pass, 2 pass. Now they asking what machine is that? William.